I'm going to give this body oil here a 7 out of 10. Yes, it's a 7 out of 10 because it's going to help produce more collagen, it's going to soften your skin, and it's going to prevent anti-aging. But will it really give you that super brightening effect that you're wanting? It's not really going to do much, so we're giving it a 7 out of 10. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sunshine and my channel's name is Sunshine Skin Diary. And if you're seeing my channel for the very first time, you're highly welcome. In this channel here, I do give reviews, honest reviews concerning skincare products that works and those that doesn't work in this channel. So if that sounds nice and you want to support me, hit the subscribe button. Now in today's video, we'll be talking about 5 best brightening body oils that will help with your skin, that will brighten your skin. Now if you have a dull skin, a dull tired skin, or a skin that you're seeing fine lines, you're seeing wrinkles on your body, and you want to actually elevate your skin, now these body oils will help you. And if you're the kind of person that don't like using body lotions due to 1 or 2 skincare issues, now we have body oils that will still brighten up your skin, that you can still use, that will work very well without side effects, just so you know. Now going right into the video, I will be going first with what I have here, which is the first one, which is the Vit Gold Turmeric Super Whitening Body Oil. This one you're seeing here on your screen. This body oil, it is actually rich in vitamins, just so you know, and it has essential oils that helps with your skin, that will nourish your skin for you. Okay, now it's going to strengthen your skin barrier. In case your skin barrier is the one that is actually weak or tired, it's going to actually strengthen your skin barrier. It's going to produce more collagen. You know, more collagen helps to firm the skin, helps to drive away wrinkles and all that. So this body oil will assist in the production of collagen in your skin. It will soften your skin. It's going to suit your skin. Now in case your skin is the one that is, you know, your body is not really that soft, it's not giving that soft girl vibes and all, and you're looking for something that will soften it, now this body oil is under that category that will help you to have a soft skin. Now more so to this particular body oil here, now this Vit Gold Turmeric Brightening Body Oil here is going to help in the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles and all, and it's also going to help reduce the appearance of hyperpigmentation if you have any, meaning if you have dark spots on your body, which is body acne, you have uneven skin tone. It's going to actually help in brightening of your body very well. Now but to be very honest with you, this Vit Gold, the turmeric, the vitamin C, the alpha arbutin, now all they're going to do is they're just going to like assist in brightening of your skin very little. I'm being very honest here, okay? So it's gonna brighten your skin little, okay? So you may see little to no effect, but it will actually work for somebody that has a caramel tone. So I'll be rating this body oil here a 7 out of 10. To be very honest, we'll be giving this body oil here a 7 out of 10. It is very good. It will moisturize your skin, just so you know. Moving over to the second body oil that I have on my list here is the Tara Vit body oil. The Tara Vit body oil you're seeing on your screen. Now this body oil will hydrate your skin. Now it's going to gradually fade your stretch marks. So if you're kind of the person that have stretch marks due to 1 or 2 reasons, and you're looking for something that is going to help fade your stretch marks, you've used different body oils and no one is actually working, you may want to try this into your skincare routine, which is the Tara Vit body oil. It's going to assist with your stretch marks in fading it away. It's also going to restore your skin back, okay? Now it will help with anti-aging, anti-blemishes, meaning if you have any blemishes on your body, it's going to help fade it away, just so you know. It also has an SPF of 50, meaning it's going to protect your skin from the harsh effect of the sun. Now this is telling you that you don't have to use this particular body oil during the night because it has SPF, and anything SPF or anything that contains SPF is supposed to be used during the daytime and not the night, just so you know. Now the Tara Vit body oil, I'm going to be giving it a 8 over 10. 8 over 10. Yes, it will do the effect, okay? It will work for you very well. So we're giving it 8 out of 10. Now if you're liking this video, if you're finding this video informative, if you're finding it very helpful, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and tell me in the comment section which body oil you're currently using. You can also share with others what you're using. Moving over to the third body oil, okay, this one is a chef kiss, is the Aveeno body oil. The Aveeno body oil, the holy girl. Now this Aveeno body oil will hydrate your body, which is one. It will even out your skin, which is two. It's going to help brighten your skin, which is three. It's going to smooth your skin, and lastly, glow your skin. Yes. Now it has 98% of natural ingredients that will help with your skin and any skin issue that you have. Now Aveeno is a very good brand, and this body oil is among the very good products that I do recommend to my clients. It's very, very good, and you may want to actually try it out. If you have not really tried it out, go give this Aveeno body oil a try. You will love it. It is so good. Yeah, like very, very good. Now I'll be giving this particular body oil a 9 out of 10. A 9 out of 10. Yes, it's worth the hype. All right, it worth the hype. It works very well, and it's so nice. Give it a try and thank me later. The next I have here is the Vaseline Intensive Care body oil. Vaseline Intensive Care. This particular body oil is made from cocoa butter. Yes. Now what it's gonna do is, if you have a dull, tired looking skin and you're looking for something that is just gonna like brighten your skin, make your skin to be that lively and agile, that young and youthful, radiant skin, you may want to get this Vaseline Intensive Care body oil. Now it's also going to actually improve your skin appearance. All right, it's going to improve the appearance of your skin and all that, and I bet you're gonna love it. Not doing too much, you will love it, to be very honest with you. It smells amazing. One of the things that I find about this particular body oil is that it has a unique smell that you love. Okay, if you're the kind of girl that loves smelling good, you know, you love feeling yourself, get this particular body oil. The smell is so nice. I'm telling you guys, I'll be giving this particular body oil a 8.5 out of 10. Okay, an 8.5 out of 10. It is good, baby. You want to try it out. The last one that I have here is the Dialysis Vitamin C body oil. The girls that know it, you know. Now this contains natural ingredients, which is one. Now it's going to actually brighten your skin, which is two. It's going to reduce fine lines, wrinkles, and it's going to clear your hyperpigmentation. You see how small it is? It is actually small by mighty. In fact, I'm giving this particular body oil here a 10 out of 10. It is worth it. It is worth the hype and everything. It is small, but will it work? It will work. Yes, it's going to work, and you need to actually give it a try. This body lotion will help brighten your skin so well, and it's gonna leave that moisture on your body. It's gonna lock in the moisture and everything. So you want to actually try this particular body oil that I'm telling you. You don't want to miss out. You don't want to miss out. Okay, now let me actually tell you guys how you can actually apply your body oil. First things first is avoid mixing your body lotion and your body oil together. That is a wrong move, just so you know. Okay, get your body oil when you're done taking your bath on a damp skin. If you don't want to apply your body lotion on a damp skin, apply your body oil on your body. Go in the circular motion, apply it very well on your elbows, your knuckles, and all that very efficiently. Then leave it to actually sink well into your body, and that is all you have to do. Very simple, nothing much. Now if you guys find this video very helpful, informative, and good, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Share it to your other skincare gurus that you want them to have the same information. Don't forget to share with them, and stay connected in Sunshine Skincare Diary. Bye bye.